Do you want to see big improvements in your art? Build drawing confidence all under 10 minutes per day? This one powerful drawing exercise changed the way I draw and it only takes a pen and a piece of paper. In this video, I'm diving into a ridiculously simple technique that trains your eye, observational skills, and forces you to let go of perfection. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate artist, you'll want to watch till the end to make sure you get the best results.
Continuous line drawing. In this exercise, keep your drawing tool on the paper at all times. This technique encourages flow, spontaneity, and improves hand-eye coordination. Overall though, it gets you to practice drawing. It also teaches you to trust your instincts and develop a more fluid drawing style. Don't worry about those mistakes, embrace them as part of the exercise. Continuous line drawing is a great way to loosen up and explore new possibilities in your artwork. How long to do this exercise? So I recommend you do this exercise for 5 minutes.
One continuous line drawing exercise, which offers big results. Try it, drop me a comment below, like this video, and hit that subscribe button for even more videos like this in the future.